orange color. A, capital A, small A for apple, purple color. B, capital B, small B for ball, dark green color. C, capital C, small C for cat, yellow color. D, capital D, small D for dog, pink color. E, capital E, small E for elephant, light green color. Capital F, small F for fish, grey color. Capital G, small G for gate, black color. Capital H, small H for horse, dark blue color. Capital I, small I for ice cream, light blue color. Capital J, small J for joker, brown color. Capital K, small K for kite, red color. Capital L, small L for lion, purple color. Capital M, small M for monkey, light green color. Capital N, small n for nose, orange color. Capital O, small O for orange, pink color. Capital P, small P for peacock, black color. Capital Q, small Q for queen, dark blue color. Capital R, small R for rabbit, light blue color. Capital S, small S for sun, grey color. Capital T, small T for tiger, dark green color. Capital U, small U for umbrella, purple color. Capital V, small V for vegetables, light green color. Capital W, small W for watermelon, pink color. Capital X, small X for X-ray, yellow color. Capital Y, small Y for yellow, red color. Capital Z, small Z for zebra. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.